rainforest at Kanna Shantivanam.
It is a slice of Western Ghats in Telangana because it has many species collected from the Western Ghats and they are grown in the interior part of the Deccan Plateau where the Kanna Shantivanam center is located, and it has the endemic and endangered species from Kerala and Karnataka, and here by walking through this rainforest one would feel that they are in the dense evergreen rainforests of the Western Ghats. These endemic plants from Kerala and Karnataka were selectively collected.
This is Indonesia, the plant.
And have been propagated.
Tree spinach antaru dini.
In the once barren lands of Nandigama Mandal. In the last 5 to 6 years, the rainforest spreading over 5 to 6 acres of land at Kanna Shantivanam. It is now home to the vulnerable and critically endangered species, besides increasing the green cover in the region. This was very challenging because the temperatures in Telangana are very high as well as the rains are low. So initially the plantation was done in pits of 3 feet by 3 feet and which were filled with black cotton soil, biochar, farmyard manure and vermicompost. And initially the agati trees were let to grow in large numbers, which are leguminous and they grow fast, which provide the required shade for the rainforest species and also fixing nitrogen and supporting other species. And over a period, these agati plants, which were numerous, were thinned, and now with complete biodiversity, all the plants are existing, and one could see especially birds and several types of insects, frogs, and even there are a few small ponds where fishes are there. It's a complete different experience. The rain guns which function in intervals, they provide this water from top and create that required moisture and also enough water for these plants. This way Kanna Shantivanam has created an oasis or a small paradise in Telangana region for creating large scale awareness on the conservation of this rainforest as well as to protect the endangered, threatened and rare species. They also started a tissue culture lab where they are promoting these rare species and again sending them back to those places where they exist or which is the original habitat for them. This way a spiritual international center is working on the most important aspect of conservation, awareness and promotion. This is one of the most important contributions of Kanna Shantivanam and especially Dachi's initiative. Rainforest is a must visit place in Kanna Shantivanam for everyone, and it is going to be one of the important spots around Hyderabad for any visitors.